If you've ever found yourself presenting with PowerPoint and noticed your slides look different on your computer than what your audience can see, you're probably running into presenter view. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off presenter view in PowerPoint on Windows so you can display your slides just as your audience sees them. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll feel confident switching back and forth. No more scrambling or awkward pauses in your presentations. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your presentation open in PowerPoint and you're looking at the main interface. Now, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll notice a row of tabs running across, the Home tab, Insert Design, and so on. What we want is the Slideshow tab. Go ahead and click on Slideshow. This is where all of PowerPoint's presentation-specific features are neatly organized. The Slideshow tab is like mission control for anything that happens during a live presentation, transitions, timing, and of course, presenter view. Once you're in the Slideshow tab, look towards the center of the ribbon for a section labeled Monitors. If you're connected to an external monitor or projector, this is where PowerPoint really shines for presenters. But sometimes, you just want your own screen to match exactly what the audience is seeing. No notes, timer, or preview of upcoming slides getting in your way. In that Monitors group, you'll see a checkbox labeled Use Presenter View. If that box is checked, Presenter View is enabled, which means your screen is showing your private notes and controls instead of just the slide. All you need to do is simply uncheck Use Presenter View. Just one click and PowerPoint will switch so your display mirrors what your audience sees. I always like to think of this like turning off the co-pilot dashboard in an airplane. Sometimes you just want the clean, straightforward view, especially if you're presenting over Zoom or you have just your laptop and no separate screen. This is usually all you need to do if you're preparing your presentation ahead of time. But what if you're already presenting and you realize, oh no, I'm in presenter view and I didn't mean to be? Don't worry, there's a quick way out. On your keyboard, simply press the S key. This immediately exits presenter view and brings you back to the normal editing mode or stops the slideshow altogether. Consider this your emergency parachute. It's a little trick that can really save you if you ever feel stuck or confused in the middle of a presentation. No awkward fumbling in the menus while everyone waits, just a single key press. If you're new to using multiple screens or maybe presenting in a new environment, it's perfectly normal to find this confusing at first, so take your time and give yourself a few practice runs. Remember, these settings are there to help you, and now that you know how to toggle presenter view, you have full control of how your presentation is displayed. Alright, that's all it takes. Turning off presenter view is as simple as visiting your Slideshow tab, unchecking one box, and knowing your quick escape if you ever need it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, it really makes a difference. And if you have any questions, maybe about connecting to projectors, or you want tips on presenting more smoothly, just drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.